Hi guys, Steve up at the property, and this week we're going to do a quick unboxing and review of the Ego 18-inch chainsaw. Well, I had an 18-inch chainsaw, but I don't anymore, and that's a story for another day. What I'd like to go through today is unboxing this puppy, showing you what it's like, maybe cutting something or two. I loved the one I had. I think this one's a home run too. It looks like essentially the same exact thing. Maybe there's some new and different features. We'll find out. Okay, let's open this thing up. Got this, no, actually I went to Ace and bought this at the store. If you go on their website, it'll tell you at the local store if they have it or not. And if they don't, they can have it shipped to the store and you can go pick it up when they get it, or they'll tell you the closest store in your area that does have one in stock. And that's what I did here. I didn't go very far to get this one. Booklet. A little cushiony thing to hold it. I actually have the stump barrel going, trying to continue burning that stump, so if that has trouble getting going, I'll just throw this in there. That'll help. Has this nice little chain guard. Looks like it comes completely assembled. "18-inch chainsaw, auto tensioning system, bright LED lights." I haven't used it at night, so I couldn't tell you. Weather-resistant construction. I never left it out in the rain. And one good thing about these Egos, I got the 56 volts. This is a 7.5 AH, which I'm guessing is amp hours. And I got the smaller one, 5 amp hours. The big ones I have for my snowblower. I got a big 2-stage snowblower, and I got 2 big batteries for that. Then I got the leaf blower and a small battery, and I got the chainsaw in a small battery. And all these other Ego tools all use the same batteries. I think you see me, I got the pole saw and I got the string trimmer. And these batteries are great. I've used them a ton. I just used the snowblower for the first time in a couple of years a few weeks ago, and it did a great job. The 2 batteries, I was able to get the whole driveway and the front of the house done. I will tell you that when I first had the batteries, they lasted a lot longer. Now they seem to go through the charge a lot quicker than they used to. And those batteries are maybe 3 years old, not exactly sure. 2 years old, and I say 2 years old. And this is the auto tightening. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. That's locked. I don't think it comes with any oil in it. Nope, that's dry. All right, I gotta go back to the garage and get some oil for it. It's got a chain on it already. All right, let's get some oil to fill this thing up. We'll throw a battery in it. We'll cut some stuff and I'll let you know what I think. Okay, I got the Ego premium bar and chain lubricant, 32 ounces. I'll put the price for this that's on there. You could buy this chainsaw also with the charger and the battery, but I already had that, so I just got, you could buy the tool itself alone. I'll put the price for both, I guess, in the description. Alright, I overfilled it a little bit. Oh no, there it goes, it's alright. Battery slides right in. It's on safety when the red's showing. Pull that back. You have the slack out, which is this little green button. Push that in. Alright, let's see if we can find something to cut. I got 79 acres of down trees. I don't want to cut anything down, but we got a down tree right here. Let's see how we could cut that one up. Okay, this one's kind of old, been sitting here a while. Anyway, we're just testing it. Oh, it's getting hung up for some reason. Battery's not dead. Seemed to cut that pretty good. Maybe just chain needed to be lubricated. A lot of times when the chain oil's low, it'll cut out. Try it again. Oh, that went a lot better. Try one more. I think that went well. I think maybe it had to do with the chain oil being just freshly put in there. But the last two cuts went through there real easy. I love this chainsaw. All right, let me put it back on the tailgate there, and I'll give you my final impression of it. Okay, so I've had this model chainsaw for a couple of years, and I was quite happy with it when I got it. I know, listen, I'm a friend of the internal combustion engine, but you know, when you use these things and you put them away for the winter, or you know, they sit for a while and then you got to get them running, and sometimes you put them away and says, oh, yeah, I'll use it soon. And then you're leaving it full of gas, and the gas goes bad, and it gums up the carburetor, and you can't get it started, so you got to take the thing apart. It's a little bit of a pain in the butt. So when I started getting new stuff, what happened was, I don't know what I got first. I think I got the chainsaw first when I got this property, and I didn't want to really fight with this two-stroke engine. So I got the electric one. I figured, let me try it. And it had good reviews. And I love it. You know, you put the battery in. You don't have to worry about needing gasoline. You press the button and the thing starts. It runs. And You know, you keep a couple of extra batteries. The battery goes dead. You put in a new one. You stick the other one in the charger, and you're good. I never got caught with having two dead batteries. The batteries last a long time. You could do a lot of cutting with this thing. I can't tell you how many trees I cut down with this thing. You know, in the last 2 years, well over 100. You know, and it really never let me down. Always runs. Never gave me the finger. I keep extra chains. So, you know, if I'm up here for like 3 days, you know, you want to keep a couple extra sharp chains ready. And then when I get home, I'll bring the dull chain and I'll sharpen them up there and bring them back up here. So, Ego 18-inch chainsaw, I give it a great thumbs up. It's a great chainsaw, great investment. This is my official Steve's Cabin approval. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll catch you next week.